Welcome to our Facilitate Pro Leader Guide tutorials. In these tutorials, we will be showing you how to use our tool from start to finish. If you are new to Facilitate Pro, these videos should be viewed in order. If you need a refresher on something specific, toggle through our channel playlist. Each video is titled for what we will go over. So let's begin. Brainstorming. So you've created a discussion topic. Now it's time to begin your brainstorm. As a reminder, we are currently in auto mode. We will show you some of the more detailed features of manual mode at the end of this video. Select Brainstorm from the Brainstorm Action tab. Invite your participants to type an idea in the text box and click Add My Idea to post it in the flip chart. As your participants add more and more ideas, they will see them getting added to your list and can review what others have said. As a leader, to edit an idea or comment, click Use My Settings. Then, click the Edit pencil next to the item you would like to edit or delete. You can toggle between ideas by clicking Next Item, and you can save changes when you're done. Click Use Group Settings to remove the Edit pencil and return to your original view. Once you've gathered a healthy list of ideas, our tool prompts you to move to the next phase in brainstorming and to dive a little deeper. On the Action tab, hover over Brainstorm and click Comment. Now your team can build on existing ideas, ask for clarification, or raise concerns without everyone yelling across the table to do so. Now that you've captured your team's initial ideas and fleshed them out with comments, it's time to categorize. Quick tip: you can create categories before, during, or after a brainstorm. It's helpful to think about what categories you expect to turn up as you prepare your meeting plan. This will help you get the categorization started quickly and smoothly. You'll have 80% of them at your fingertips before the group even gets started. By organizing ideas into buckets, the group can start to converge on common themes and keep your brainstorm organized for your continued exploration, as well as for documentation after your meeting ends. You might decide to engage the group in identifying categories, or you can categorize behind the scenes and present the group with an organized list. Once you've put all the ideas into the appropriate categories, invite your participants to read through the initial list of ideas and comments, think on what has been added and what is missing, and to go back into the brainstorm to add new ideas and new comments that they may have been inspired by from the themes. They can categorize the new ideas themselves with the drop-down menu. Now let's take a brief look at manual mode for brainstorming. Click Auto is on to switch to manual mode. With manual mode, the core of the brainstorming session remains the same. However, this mode allows you to have ultimate flexibility in how you use the tool and allows for any permutations that your specific group may find useful. Click the drop-down menu under Topic Mode. As you can see, there are now multiple different ways in which you can use our tool to brainstorm. Hover over each to get a description of that mode. Here are some highlights. Personal list. This is for when you want your participants to come up with ideas on their own, uninfluenced by their counterparts prior to moving forward as a group. Moderated. While we generally suggest allowing your participants to freely let loose on their ideas, some topics are too sensitive to do so in a productive manner. For these situations, as a leader, you can approve or edit ideas before they are shown in the list. Action planning. While we put this under brainstorming, this mode is really most useful at the end of your meeting. We will explain more about this step in our results video. Now you are fully equipped to lead your team through the first crucial steps in your meeting, idea generation. Thank you for watching video 3, Brainstorming, of our Facilitate Leader Guide tutorial series. Click our next video voting to continue learning about our powerful tool. Happy brainstorming!